Hello, my dear friends. My name is 易烊千玺. It's very long, but isn't it different?
How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Don't forget to subscribe right here, otherwise I won't have any food for this week. I'm so hungry already. Anyways, today I have a very fun video for you. Everyone knows the Tfboys 加油男孩. They are huge. They can sing, they can dance, they can act, but can they speak English? Yes, they can. Very well, in fact. 所以今天我们来分析一下他们的英语，然后我们才知道哪个加油男孩的英语最好。This is a little difficult to do, so to make it fair, we're just going to listen to them reading English out loud for 30 seconds. This way, the pressure is off them to think about what they want to say, and we don't need to focus on their grammar.
Boring. You're boring, everybody.
Instead, we're going to focus on their pronunciation and fluency and see how smoothly they can speak. But first, if you haven't signed up for my 电影口语课, then you need to sign up right now. It starts August 4th. All you need to do is add my course manager's WeChat, Real Mike US2. Real Mike US2. This is 2 live streams, 24 video lessons. It's a huge course. 我们一起来看4部电影，一起来学习英语最常见的口语表达。And I was actually able to talk with one of the TF boys, Roy Wang, Wang Yuan. So let's see what he thinks of my 电影口语课. Roy, are you there?
Yes.
Hey, Roy.
Hey, Roy.
So what do you think of 麦克老师?
Handsome.
Oh, thank you. What do you think about English?
English is very good.
How about your friend 易烊千玺?
I like English best.
Awesome. What did you think of the movie course?
Perfect.
Wow, that's great to hear.
My English is improved so much.
Do you think my students should miss this opportunity?
No.
What if they do miss it?
Not so good.
So what do you recommend that they do?
Listen to my
And then how about during the course?
Relax and enjoy it.
What happens if they don't buy it?
Don't die.
Wow, Roy, thank you so much for your advice. I'll see you later.
Goodbye.
Once again, just add my course manager's WeChat, Real Mike US2. It's only 129 RMB, and this is a really fun, really cool course. I think you're really gonna enjoy it. And we get to watch movies together and learn about culture and language. I'll see you at the August 4th live stream.
Very good.
那我们首先来听一下王俊凯的英语 Carry Wang.
Today, we are about to witness the launch of the United Nations Alliance for Sustainable Fashion, which I believe will give fashion a whole new mission and build a platform for discussion and engagement of sustainable fashion. More institutions and brands across the world can be involved, contributing to the achievement of sustainable development goals. Now, I ask you, please team up with me to advocate for and support sustainable fashion.
So Carrie actually speaks very well. There was a few places he stopped where it didn't sound very smooth, and there's a few small pronunciation problems. Let's have a look to see where he can improve.
Witness the launch.
It sounded like lunch to me,
Witness the launch.
but it should be launch. La. 其实这两个音标的差别也不大，但是 是短元音，还有 launch 这是长元音。Lunch, launch.
Sustainable fashion.
Sustainable, dark L.
A whole new mission.
然后又是短 I 的问题。
A whole new mission.
Mission, 他说的是 mission, 但是是 mission, mission.
And build a platform.
他刚刚说的 platform 后面的 R 他可能忘记说出来。
And build a platform.
Platform. 大家注意哦，美式口音的话肯定要说 R platform。
More institutions and brands.
这个忘记说 R 的问题又出现了，他说 brands， 这个单词的音标蛮多的 b r a n d z brands
across the world.
这个单词 world, it's very difficult for a lot of my Chinese students. So I want you to practice this word at home. World.
Please team up with me to advocate for and support sustainable fashion.
So right at the end here, he stops a few times. Maybe he had to think about the word he was saying, but it sounds very unnatural to say, team up with me to advocate for, 然后什么什么什么. But overall, he speaks quite well. It was pretty smooth. He stopped about 4 times that I noticed. The only major pronunciation problem was just that R. So overall, for Kerry Wong, I'd probably give his pronunciation 3.5 stars. And his reading fluency is also pretty good, 4 stars. Alright, next, Wang Yuan, Roy Wong.
My passion for 2030 is that every young person can access good quality education. Girls have the same potential to achieve amazing things as boys. With the support from many young people across the country, the campaign, which has been running for a few months since October 2016, recorded over 500 million views online.
Overall, also a very good speaker. There are a few places where I think he can improve.
For 2030.
So here we see another common problem, the TH sound. 2030 versus 2030. And also, that.
Is that.
应该是 that, 不是 that.
Can access.
So here he says a long E instead of a short E.
Can access.
Access. E, F. E, F. Access.
Girls has the same.
I'm not sure if he just misread it, but he said has and not have.
Girls has the same.
有可能是发音错误，但是也不一定吧。如果他故意说 has， 那就没问题了吧。
With the support.
TH 问题又出来了 with.
From many young people.
他这边说 people 有个 dark L， 有点听起来他说 people。
From many young people.
但是没有那么夸张啊，可能通过一些努力，他 dark L 就发的没错。
For a few months.
TH 又出来了。
For a few months.
Months. So I think for Roy Wong, he's pretty much the same level as Kerry Wong. He did stop a few times, which interrupted the flow of his speech.
500 million views online.
I'd still give him 3.5 stars for pronunciation and probably 4 stars for his fluency.
Very good.
Alright, the one you've all been waiting for. 易烊千玺.
Our project, the Child Companion Plan, is trying hard to address these issues through the theme, one child, one family, and one link. Our goal is giving all these children a better and a healthier future. None of us can do all this alone. We must work together to make a difference and to achieve healthier, sustainable future. We have a phrase in Chinese, 一起来吧.
Wow, 他的 TH 音标完美. However, he still has the short I problem.
Address these issues.
Issues. Issues.
Healthier future.
Healthier. 非常棒。很多人说 health, 但是他说的完美。
Can do all this alone.
他说 alone.
Can do all this alone.
一般的话，我的学生不会发错这个音标，应该是 o 长 o alone.
We must work together.
Together 又完美，一点都没有 z 的声音。Together.
Sustainable future.
他是跟王源一样的，有一点说 dark L. Sustainable.
Future.
还有一点点听起来是 o， 不是100%准确的，但是差不多吧。Alright, so his pronunciation definitely better. I would say 4 stars. And he speaks much more fluently. He stopped once or twice, very briefly, and it didn't really influence the flow of his speech. I would say 4.5 stars for fluency. So there you have it. 易烊千玺 is probably the best English speaker of the Tfboys. But if you have any other examples of them speaking English, please share it with me below, and just maybe you will change my mind. And don't forget, listen to your heart, sign up for my movie class, add my course manager's WeChat, Real Mike US2, and I'll see you on August 4th. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。